Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you this automatic wireless charger here. It's by Joy Tutus. If you remember, I've promoted a lot of their items before. Great stuff, and it won't break the bank. It's a pretty neat system here that just goes on your air vent, so nothing's permanent. But I've never seen one like this. It's pretty cool where it automatically holds your phone and releases it. So in the kit here, you get the holder itself. And then you're going to have a connector that connects to the air vent right here. Like all the other standard ones. You got the plug that this unit plugs into, your USB. And they also give you all these connectors. Now, these are used if your phone that you're using doesn't have the wireless charging capability. Then you're going to put this in the port where you'd plug it in at. And then it's magnetic to the bottom of the holder here. But for my demo, I'm going to show you I have the Apple with the MagSafe charging capability, so it's going to charge without these things. But basically what you do, if you don't have that, I'll show you here. This thing's magnetic. See how it just sticks right to it? So you keep this little adapter in the bottom of your phone, and then when you rest it on here, it'll create that magnetic field so it charges that way. And that's only if you have an older phone that doesn't charge wirelessly. But it's still, you just drop the phone on and it charges. So it's pretty neat. There's no wires to plug in. So if you guys want something that's easy to use with one hand, this will be the thing to use. And these arms open and close automatically when you have power going to it, which I'll show you when I get in the car. Really nice though. Nice unit. It won't break the bank. Really nice. And right now it's awesome. They have 40% off if you use this code right here, Honda40. 40% off. It's $30 and you get 40% off that. So it's not expensive, guys. If you want to get something that's really easy, something you don't really have to mount to your car, it just goes to the air vent, works on any car. Really good. So let me show you. I'll use it on my wife's Pilot and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so here, this has the power going to it. See that little silver button? You rub your hand over it, it releases. It's not even a button, it's just a sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here and I'll attach it to the vent and I'll show you. Okay, right now it's attached to the vent. Okay, I have to turn the power on the car, but here's the phone. Let me turn the car on first. Okay, so do that. Okay, now when you get near it, it's got to automatically open. It has a sensor, it knows. See, it opens up, you just set the phone in there, now it closes on itself, and it's going to charge. See, it's charging. And then when you want to release it, remember that little silver sensor, rub your finger by it, it starts releasing, pull the phone out, and it's going to close again when it's not in use. Really intuitive. I've never seen one like this. So again, you just get near it, and it opens the arms. You put the phone in, let it go. You see it's charging right there. You're good to go. It's a smart design. And for under $20, guys, you can't beat it. You really can't. And then it closes. You don't have to worry about it. No plugging in. Now, if you want to use wired CarPlay, of course, you can't use this system with that. But any other way, you use one hand. You don't have to worry about the arms, trying to use two hands to unlock your phone. It's a really neat system. So definitely check the link in the description, guys. Pick one up right now for 40% off. I think you'll be happy. I appreciate it, guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there, being safe. As always, thanks again, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, everybody.